Hello, my name is Ferro. I am a periodontologist and I am the head of surgery at the MALO CLINIC. We are facing challenging times and I am working together with Nobelbiocare to make sure that learning does not stop by bringing education online. So join me on Thursday, the 2nd of April, to learn how to treat edentulous patients or patients with failing dentition with the All-on-4 treatment concept. We will review some principles, talk about evolution, and I hope you will acquire the knowledge to make a proper diagnosis and also understand why it is very important to have a team approach to this concept. An approach that involves the surgeon, the prosthodontist, the lab technician, and also the oral hygienist. So join us on April the 2nd.